Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Vitamix A3500 Smart Blender. The A3500 Ascent series is the Vitamix blender with all the bells and whistles. This smart blender has a sleek touchscreen display and 5 program settings that automatically detect the size of the container so that it blends according to volume and consistency. You can set it and forget it with the built-in programmable timer. Say goodbye to watching the blender while it's running because this smart model shuts off when it's finished. The features allow you to tailor the consistency and speed to your specific requirements. The container is designed with a vortex in mind for efficiency. The container's walls rotate the ingredients back into the blades for faster, more efficient processing. Our most advanced blender features 5 program settings that automatically adjust to your container size, process your recipes, and stop the blender when complete. Touchscreen controls are easily wiped clean, and a programmable built-in timer helps you achieve your perfect blend, every time. For details, let's watch more. Our second best Vitamix blender is Vitamix Red 7500 blender. The Vitamix Professional Series 750 outperformed all the other models in both our lab tests and in our home tester's kitchen. Our testers discovered that the wide and large container is best suited for larger batches of peanut butter. If you know you'll be blending small amounts frequently, a compatible 32-ounce container sold separately is best suited for those recipes. After being blown away by its ability to blend smoothies, iced lattes, and rice flour, our home tester decided to put it to the ultimate test by making whipped cream. The container is designed with a vortex in mind for efficiency. The container's walls rotate the ingredients back into the blades for faster, more efficient processing. During our lab tests, that precision performed admirably. The smoothie was smooth and consistent, with very fine grittiness. Control exactly what your baby eats. Prep, blend, and make batches of nutritious homemade baby food in seconds in your Vitamix machine. Third in our list is Vitamix E310 Explorian blender. With intuitive controls, exhilarating power, and durability, the Explorian Series E310 will forever change the way you prepare meals. It's never been easier to become a Vitamix owner and create healthy, whole food recipes at home. The 48-ounce container is ideal for blending medium batches for small family meals. Cutting blades measuring 3-inch diameter to ensure a consistent blend every time. 10 variable speeds allow you to refine every texture with culinary precision, from the smoothest puree to the heartiest soups. Layer coarse chops over smooth puree for heartier recipes, such as chunky salsas or thick vegetable soups. This aircraft-grade stainless steel blades are designed to handle the toughest ingredients, so from the first blend to the last, you get the same quality results. Cord length 4.5 feet. With a drop of dish soap and warm water, your Vitamix machine can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds. Radial cooling fan and thermal protection system. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our best Vitamix blender list is Vitamix A2300 Smart Blender. If you prefer a fruit and vegetable smoothie for breakfast, the A2300 should be on your radar. While a Vitamix can be used to make hot soups, salad dressings, frozen desserts, and much more, its ability to blend clump-free smoothies and smooth juices is one of its main draws. This blender has intelligent features such as self-detect technology, which detects the size of your container and adjusts program settings accordingly. This blender has a pre-programmed smoothie setting, so you can walk away and return to a perfectly consistent texture. The laser-cut blades effortlessly cut through ice and are resistant to dulling, so you can blend smoothies for years to come. Sleek and stylish, the Vitamix Ascent Series A2300 blender features intuitive controls and a built-in digital timer to help you achieve your best results, every time. Pair the A2300 with Vitamix Ascent Series blending cups and bowls to create a personalized blending system with a range of container sizes. For details, let's watch more. Our last pick is Vitamix 5200 Blender. If you're upgrading from blenders that need to be replaced every 6 to 12 months, the Vitamix 5200 is a great place to start. Simply turn on the machine and choose one of the 10 speed control settings, which can be rotated at any time during the blending process for maximum precision. This model has a 64-ounce container, but it is not small. However, the container's height was advantageous during our laboratory tests. It meant that the peanut butter was concentrated around the blades, resulting in a consistently smooth texture. The test smoothie was foamy and fine, making it ideal for refreshing. Create flavorful dressings that can double as marinades for your entrees. If sauce is on the menu, make pesto, tomato sauce, or applesauce in seconds. Control exactly what your baby eats. Prep, blend, and make batches of nutritious homemade baby food in seconds in your Vitamix machine. For details, let's watch more.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!